Hello! Today we will be learning about continuity, which is described as a graph that is unbroken with no holes or gaps. If f of c is defined, the limit of f of x as x approaches c exists, and the limit of f of x as x approaches c equals f of c. There are two types of discontinuity. One is removable, and that is defined if the function can be made continuous by appropriately defining or redefining one value. Otherwise, it is called non-removable. As you can see on the side panel, the top one is removable because you can move that value at x equals 2 down or up, whatever, and then you get that it is approaching 2. So it is a removable discontinuity. In the second one, since they are approaching different values, that would be referred to as a non-removable discontinuity. Next, we move on to defining continuity on a closed interval. And to do that, we would say that on the interval a to b, it is continuous if on the interval ab, with the limit x is approaching a from the right, f of x equals f of a, and if x approaches b from the negative or the left, f of x equals f of b, then it is continuous on that closed interval. For example, wrong side. Here, there, yes, right there. F of b approached from the left is approaching b. But if you approach a from the right and it approaches a, then you can confirm and conclude that this is continuous. Woo! When testing for continuity, you want to make sure that you have a graph of it. Like over here, we have the graph of tan of x. It's a nice graph. I graphed this, actually. And you want to describe over what intervals the graph is continuous. So, on the graph of tan of x, you would say that, in this case, it is continuous on the intervals negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, and from pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2, and then you would continue on because this graph is unlimited, but I didn't have time or the resources to graph the entire thing. So as a review, the main things you want to know about a graph, to know if it is continuous, is to determine if it is removable or non-removable, or if it's just continuous. You want to know if it is continuous on a specific interval, and when defining it, you want to be able to establish what intervals your graph is continuous. Yes? Yes, you should always do your best and stay in school. And yay calc, yes? Yeah.
What you looking at? Do I got something in my eye? Do I got shit up on my face and then my head catch on fire? Cause you really staring at my something that you like. G's, it's from a number, or you can fly kite. See, I'm about to get with it. I'm getting ratchet and live it. You think I'm cool and forget it. You feeling froggy, then rip it. Be like banana and split it before you're mailing. I split it up. let you know what this is. I'm my girl, she deserves it.
Deep down. Deep down. Deep down.
Everyone's gonna do great on count!